Jokanyo e sekta mopogore opogore pod medo chopo e nyime komiti matayo Twak mar thek e kind Azimio la Umoja gi Kenya Kwanza. Jokanyo mag komiti mar duond buche pachoka ne ochopo e nyima pudno kawuono kendo ywak margi maduong' en tim magiwacho ni oonone mar rocho ratich duond buche kendo njao demokrasia. Oganda jodhoda Saboti e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia bende ochopo e nyim komiti no ma otelne gi Kalonzo Musyoka kod Kimani Ichung'wah. We winjane gima dhi mbele gi sani.
The community has not been able to exploit the potential because of the issue of infrastructure, as Honorable Ambilianga said. And so by creating a county for this community, what we are only asking is a fair representation of the national cake, the resources.
We hear you. We hear you. But please also take into account that, watch and nikamilishe, so I really wind up on this.
Thank you.
That if you can also put up your microphone so I can conclude. Wazee ninajaribu nikamilishe kwa kusema hivi kwamba tumewasikieni, waelewa, lakini mjue pia kule mashinani hatutaki mkitoka hapa kuwe na tension. Wakati mfanya mabonga declaration, there was a lot of tension. Na watu wakakubaliana wakumbuka wakati ule Mheshimiwa Catherine, as a result of fact of Mabanga declaration, we had the senator of Trans Nzoia last time. What was his name? Ndiema. He was actually a product of Mabonga declaration. So where people sit na wanaishi pamoja, you actually can make progress. I know there is probably another document by Council of Elders from the region. We want to be able to see if they can marry this so that what comes out will be in the best interest of the people of Elgon, the people of Western, the people of Rift Valley, the people of this country. Because we must embrace each other and live well. We shall do our best. Na nyinyi pia mfanye pia isionekane kwamba kwa vile mzee rafiki yangu aliongea kule alikuwa mkali sana. Alikuwa mkali sana, sema amani ni ya nini? Amani ni kila kitu, nakuelewa ili kwamba mkitoka hapa kuwe na amani nyumbani. We don't want your presentation to be able to start further controversy. God bless you. Thank you. We can now see the next. I think we'll now take the next group.
Honorable Chair, sorry for taking you back. I think we have one of our former members of parliament.
By the way, you can enrich your presentation by a further document. There's no problem.
So I was just requesting a member just to say hi.
Amani Kimkum.
Yes.
Kimkum namjua.
And we have also a former deputy governor.
Yeah.
He's here with us. I would wish them just to greet the committee. Just the two of them. Thank you so much. Just a humble request.
As they do that, Secretariat, bring in the next group.
Kimkum alikuwa anajigamba kwamba yeye na Ichung'wah ndio alienda ile shule nzuri.
Thank you very much.
Ekinda Kenya Kwanza kachiel kod Azimio la Umoja nyaka sani mana kaka senyisi grube kaka riwruoge mago kinde mago riwruoge weg tije riwruoge dinde e kind mamoko igeno ni biro chopo e nyim